Welcome to Dadograms Weekend Reminder. I'm Jason M. Garrett, retired Navy commander and the voice behind Dadograms. And this weekend reminder comes from a lesson most renters and landlords learn the hard way. Water problems never stay small. Last year, my daughter FaceTimed me from her college apartment she's renting. She was worried because the bathroom floor tiles kept popping up. Her first instinct was to try to fix it herself. Now that set off some alarm bells with me. As a real estate investor, I would never want my tenants doing something like that. So I had her flip the camera to show me what she was actually talking about. She pushed on the tiles and I could see water oozing from between them. You can see it right here in this video. Next, I had her go downstairs and she showed me the ceiling below the bathroom. Check it out. Water stains, rust streaks on support beams. There was an active leak and it had been there for a while. It was causing structural damage and just gluing down tiles was covering up the bigger issue. Now here's the danger. She almost didn't report it to the landlord because she was worried she might get blamed, despite having just moved in. If she had waited, that delay could have turned into mold, structural damage, and then over time, she really could have been responsible for part of the repairs because she didn't report it in a timely manner. I've seen this movie too many times as a landlord. A tiny drip under a sink turns into a rotted cabinet. A clogged AC drain floods an apartment. A slow pipe leak silently destroys a wall. These start as cheap fixes and end up in four-figure repairs or worse. Water doesn't negotiate. It just keeps working and destroying. So here's the reminder. If you're a tenant and you see water where it doesn't belong, report it immediately. Don't walk away. Don't try to hide it. Don't try to fix it. Don't do any of that. Just report it to the landlord immediately. Now, of course, if it's a big, heavy, active flow, turn off the water would be a nice step as well. But for the most part, get a hold of that landlord. And if you are a landlord, respond fast. Every day you delay multiplies the damage and the liability. Renting is a team sport. Both sides protect the same asset, which means the tenant and the landlord have to communicate. Trust me, as a landlord, I want to hear from my tenants if there is a leak anywhere, ever. And every landlord I know feels the same. Okay? In life, the small problems you address early rarely become big problems later. If you want to see the full story behind all of this, go check out Dadogram 18. It looks like this. What you see and learn will probably shock you. Good luck out there.